The Explore tool in Google is amazing. Check out what it will do with Google Sheets. All I have to do is select the information I want to use the Explore tool with. I can select a portion of my information, or I'm going to use Control-A and select all of it. And then all you have to do is come down here to the bottom right-hand corner and click on the word Explore. When I click on it, it opens up a navigation pane on the right-hand side, and immediately you can see it started doing some things for me. It's given me a sum of all the amounts on my Google Sheet, an average, a minimum, a maximum, and a count. Right off there, wonderful feature that it has. It also lets you ask questions and it will answer them for you. You can choose one of the questions down here listed below, or you can type in the question. I'm going to click on this question, and here's my answer. There's the question and the answer is in a pivot table for me. Right there I can see by country the amounts, and I can insert the pivot table if I want. I'm going to click the back arrow, and if I scroll down, it also will format the sheet for me. All I have to do is select one of these and it will format it for me. So easy to do. You scroll down, it'll also insert a pivot table based on other information. You can click more and you can enter what you want, and it will create a chart for me. It's created a chart here automatically for me, and a graph. It'll create a graph for me. So the Explore tool, just by clicking on it, I've got all this information from my data that I selected. So let the Explore tool do the work for you.